Hi. In this video I will talk about the formulas of SUMIF and SUMIFS. Example. We have a table of student progress. There is a division of points for each project. For Project 1, Project 2, and Project 3. We have a list of students, and we need to calculate how many points each student received for all three projects. Let's do it in a few clicks. The formulas of SUMIF or SUMIFS will help us with it. These formulas sum according to certain conditions. They are slightly different in structure. Also, formula of SUMIF can sum up only by one condition. And SUMIFS can sum up by several conditions. That is by one or more. Let's look at both of these formulas with an example. Equally. SUMIF. Open parenthesis. Select the range, by which the search for the desired criterion will be carried out. In this case, we need to sum up by a certain student. Select column C with names. Semicolon. Next, select the search criteria. This is the student's name. Semicolon. The summation range. This is the number of points. Enter. We get the result. In order to stretch the formula, it is necessary to fix the ranges, conditions and summations. We put down dollar signs. And stretch it down. Let's calculate the same thing using the SUMIFS formula. Equally. We begin to enter the formula. Choose SUMIFS. The summation range. Semicolon. The range of the condition. Semicolon. Condition. Enter. Fix the ranges by dollar signs. And extend the formula. The SUMIFS formula is more convenient for me. I have shown you two options. You can use the one that you like more. The peculiarity of the formulas SUMIF and SUMIFS consists in the fact that summation occurs only if there is an exact match with the criterion. A simple example. We have a list of products and their quantity. It is necessary to calculate how many sweaters we have. Enter the SUMIFS formula. And we get the result 0. Since there is no exact match with the criterion. But there is a life hack. You need to add the following characters to the criteria. Quotation marks. The star sign. Quotation marks. The ampersand sign. Cell. The ampersand sign. Quotation marks. The star sign. Quotation marks. This combination means that the criterion is suitable for what contains what is in the cell, and possibly has other symbols. So, we got the right result. That's it. Subscribe so as not to lose my channel. Here you will find a lot of interesting and understandable videos about Excel. If you still have questions, be sure to write them in the comments. Good luck to all.